Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Mom Shibinos, and this time I wanna share with you what I'm going to do today, since it wasn't my last vlog. I think it's like 3 weeks ago that I said I'm going to make dried flowers arrangement. So I already have it dried. These flowers, see, these are roses. Ayan, so we have something like this here. Ayan, maraming iba-ibang kulay. So meron ako nito, and then kukulayan lang natin sila. Ayan, but this time ouchie, ayan, sayang naman. Ayan, so eto, napanood ko rin lang naman to sa YouTube. I'm not a professional dried flower arranger, whatever, but then they said they put the hairspray. Ayan, so let's try. See, para daw ma-preserve siya. I don't know if it's true, ha. So eto, so I got a couple of dried flower. Ayan, so this is it's the white rose, but it looks like it's white, dirty white. Ayan, but this is my favorite. Etong roses na to, old roses siya. So para yung kulay niya daw is magstay. So ito na siya. So ilagay muna natin siya sa isang base. I'll get the base. So this is the base that I'm going to use. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1 para lang mag-dry siya. So, ilagay natin isa-isa. Ayan. So hindi pa to yung hindi pa to yung actual na arrangement. So nilalagyan ko lang siya ng hairspray, isa, and I will let it dry in this base for the meantime. Tapos yung iba, kukulayan ko sila. Ayan, para lang madali silang ma-dry. So hopefully, ayan. I really don't know how will it turn, but it looks like it will turn nice. Ayan, so tapos yung iba lalagyan ko ng sprayan ko ng color. So I have just the basic color in here. I have the yellow, I have the brown, I have the white, I have this blue, and I have red, and I have the silver one, and I thought I have a gold one, but I'm gonna check. So for the meantime, ito muna lalagyan natin para ma-dry siya habang nagkukulay ako ng ibang flower. Kasi I tried it the other night sa loob ng bahay. Kaso yung amoy nung paint, so it's not recommended. I don't recommend doing it inside the house. So since it's a nice day today, medyo anong tawag dito, yung panahon, yung weather dito sa amin is a little bit kulimlim. Ayan, so ayan na siya. So ipa-dry lang natin. Ayan. So now I'm going to start the color. So eto, kulayan natin. So let's see how it will work. Shake, shake, shake. So andito ako sa deck sa likod ng bahay. Medyo ano siya, ang hirap naman itong buksan. I'm gonna get a scissor and my knife. Ayan, obvious na hindi handa si Mamshi. So now guys, I'm trying to color this. So this is ito yung color niya nung natuyo siya, pero ano siya, deep yellow. Ayan, so tingnan niyo yung difference. So ito no color, and then I put the spray paint. So ayan, so ganon. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda niya na. So, yan. So, ganda. So, guys, ito yung flower na kinuha ko last, like 3 weeks ago. So, I will just hang it. So, I will just let it dry again. Ayan. So, isabit ko. And then, I'm gonna color the other stuff. But look how nice it is. Isn't it? So, guys. So, I have this hydrenia. So, I colored it with the blue. Since this is the original color. But, I just put it the blue one. It's pretty.